Gweoka no atidia thayo mwiroreri wa Gikuyu TV o haria hothe urakinyitana na ithuĩ kuma na nije tagwo Francis Kimani na ndakwa nigetha ngurehere gikunjo kia mohoro maria andikitwo mohoro matinda magikwandikira muthenya mugima kana matinda magikuhaririria muthenya mugima na mutori itu na njira ciiko etagwo Freshia wa Wanjiku na mbere ndaya nyembe gutemere maria tukuhaririirie na hamwe namo ni ati arutwo mugonja a cukuru wa Moi Girls guku Nairobi kuhira nyumba-ini yao ya gukoma. Cukuru wa airetu wa Sigoti kugombirwo ni mutino wa mwaki na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta kumenereria itua ria igoti rinene akiuga rina mawathe na kuga ati kamiti nene ya ithurano na mihaka ndingicenjio ni undu wa ngwataniro imwe ya kiuteti. Ngakuhoya ndugathie kuraihu ni undu wa macio na mangi maingi ngithia na mbere gugutamburukiria. Rĩu mwirori wa Gikuyu TV reke gutamburukirie makiria kana na njira ngurehere na njira ndaya mohoro macio maria ndagigutemera na tukiambiriria ni uhoro uria ugomeire bururi uyu muno ni undu wa mutino wa cukuru na turamenyithia ati arutwo mugwanja cukuru wa airetu wa Moi uria ukoragwo guku mucii munene wa Nairobi gicigo-ini kia Kibera ni makuire kiroko kia umuthi kumana na mutino wa mwaki uria ututhukire nyumba-ini imwe ya gukoma ya cukuru ucio gatagati-ini ga thaa 8 na thaa 9 cia kiroko. Mwandiki witũ wa mohoro Atha Waweru ena horo cio makiria.
So what we know for now is that a fire broke out in the school at 2 a.m. in the morning in one of the dormitories. It's very, very sad. This is a school that has got 1,183 students. And as you know, is one of our top schools in the country and a school that we are very proud of.
Kihumo kia mwaki ucio gitire kiramenyekana ona gutuika uthuthuria ni wambikirwo.
Mr. Parmai and the Regional Police Commander Mr. Kome, who's here with me, the head of security from the county, and quite a number of Mr. Munyambu and quite a number of senior national and county government officials. The fire broke out here at around 2 o'clock. And you must understand that we are putting bits and pieces together of what happened. Even as we give you information, we are working on more information.
Arutwo angi 16 ni magurarire hindi ya mutino uyu ona gutuika eri tu no mauma na nguraro njuru.
Okay, I am Wilma Chabat. I am a sister to a 4th form student and very much feel so much part of this school. And it's such a disheartening day. So much has happened. It's from 2 a.m. And first, let me thank the media for giving us this information, because if it were not for them, trust me, we wouldn't have known. Thank you to the outpouring of love from out there. Just praying that you may continue to pray for the students, to remember the students in prayer in everything you do.
Reu Minister wa Githomo Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni oigire ati cukuru ucio ni ukuhingwo gwa kahinda ka wiki igiri niguo arutwo maharirio gucoka thukuru ringi.
We ask the principal to send a message to your parents so that they can come and pick you up and go home with them so that you can take time to relax a bit. We will also find ways of compensating the time that you are going to lose in the process. So do not be worried about that. We had a very bad accident in your dormitory, and that dormitory is not going to be accessed because we have criminal investigations teams there. We have the police in their full capacity there.
Nake Governor wa Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko uria gwikinyitie kou ni oigire ati ni mekuheana uteithio o wothe uria ungiendekana thiini wa thukuru ucio.
Know that you have our support. We are going to partner with the national government and your school as we do the renovation and reconstruction of the dormitories. We've learned a lesson. We are going to inspect other schools, both private and public schools in Nairobi. We must have sufficient exits from our dormitories to the main gate, to the main exits of all our schools in Nairobi County.
Mwena-inĩ wake mũtongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya NASA Raila Odinga nĩoigire atĩ ũhoro ũcio nĩ wa kĩeha mũno kuona atĩ arutwo no mahĩre thukuru-inĩ.
Here in Kibra, this is a school that is very well known to me. Remember, I used to be a member of parliament for this area, and I've done a lot of work for development in this school. So when I got this information, I was shocked. I said it's shocking that we should lose 8 lives of young girls who are in high school here in this school, and that got a number are also in critical condition in other hospitals in the city. We all pray and wish them recovery. We would like to mourn with the parents who have lost their children in this great tragedy that has befallen this school.
Nake Dr. Felix Wanjala uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa thibitari ya Nairobi Women's nierethaire ati ni maranyitanira na thibitari ingi niguo gutigirira ati arutwo acio ni matangikirwo.
Being managed as inpatients, we had 2 of them who had over 50% burns, and we had the rest have minor burns. Only one has about 18%. The rest are minor burns, so we are managing them under observation. All of them are stable. We are also having counselors on site to counsel the students and also the parents who are coming to our hospital. And we are also liaising with the other hospitals, other neighboring hospitals like Kenyatta National Hospital and Gertrude's Children's Hospital.
We have addressed these issues before several times, and the accidents that are unavoidable sometimes do happen. But we will get to the bottom of it. This is not one of those we are going to promise and wait for tomorrow. We want to ensure that all the teams are here. We are in Nairobi. We are not going to fetch anybody from far. The entire team from CID is here. The director of CID has actually sent the Nairobi boss and the team here. They are already in place, and we want to find out exactly what happened in this case. Fortunately for us, we had police officers in the compound, because yesterday, as a result of the ruling, we took a decision that some of the educational institutions in Nairobi have to be secured, and as a result there was the deployment of police officers.
Uri orari mubunge wa guthukio Beatrice Elachi noigite ati mawatho ma nyumba cia gukoma nicio dormitories ni mabatie kongururio niguo arutwo makahota gwithara kungikorwo na mitino teno.
I would leave it to the investigations, but I'm hoping the Ministry of Education is also questioning itself, because I know as Form 1s were coming in, I hope we normally have inspections where we are really aware that we are bringing in kids. What number of kids is the dormitory able to handle? Big numbers. The other thing, I want to go to Nairobi County, and I'm hoping the issue of fire extinguishers. I know there was a time they were given a grant, and there are 13 fire extinguishers lying in Mombasa just because of, I don't know, customs or something.
Oho ni oritie atongoria kaunti ya Nairobi matigirire ati ruhonge rwa guthima mwaki ni rwahota kugiririria mitino ta ino.
I think it's time, and I know now we have the new governor Sonko will be able to clear, so that if we had such a quick disaster response, maybe we would have saved, because you know with mattresses the way fire spreads so fast. So for me, I hope and I pray that it was not something that would have saved.
Gitenderithiria metha ya mohoro ya Gikuyu TV tionge ni mundu gwitwo Arthur Waweru.
Kungina kuo ni ati cukuru ungi mwena wa Nyakach uria uikaine ta Sigoti Girls onaguo no uma na mutino wa mwaki kuria nyumba imwe ya gukoma iheire kiroko kia thaa 2. Arugamiriri a cukuru ucio mamenyithirio ati nyumba iyo ina mwaki kana ni irahia ni muikari umwe wa hakuhi na cukuru ucio.
We were just alarmed that the dormitory was burning by a neighbor to the school. Yes. The building has caved in. The building that was affected has caved in. The students have lost their property. It was a dormitory, So the students have lost all their boxes, all their books, all their mattresses. But we are grateful to God, life has not been lost.
We were with the girls. They were doing their washing, they were cleaning their uniform. Then we assembled at the assembly. So they were to get water so that we can do thorough cleaning. So we removed all the girls from all the dormitories. We made sure there was no girl in the dorm. So when I was walking, just some 5 minutes.
Tukithie na mbere otoria tukionira hau kabere ni ati magavana a kiama kia Jubilee aria othe macagurirwo hindi ya githurano kinene kia mweri 8 wa kanana ni mekunyititwo geni thingira-ini wa uregi ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta. Akiaria hindi ya mucemanio ucio uria nginya atongoria aria maranyita Jubilee baru kuma ciama ingi ngurani, Uhuru ni oririe atongoria acio gutiga njukaniriro na kurutithania wira na ang'ethaniri ao. Oho Uhuru ni oririe abunge cia county gucoka kuri aria mamacagurira niguo mamarutire wira, akiuga ati we tayari kuhoya kura ringi na njira ya thayo ona thutha wa kumenereria na njira nene igoti nene bururi-ini kana Supreme Court.
Sisi tumetulia, tumesema tumshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu na tuko tayari kwa uamuzi wa koti hii hata kama hatukubaliani naye. I thank you for peace. You have shown that we are a party that not only believes in unity, that not only believes in Kenya, but believes in peace. Kwa sababu hawa tutawahudumia wao baadaye. Lakini kitu cha muhimu kwanza ni amani. Asanteni sana. Kwa sababu bila nyinyi, kama mmoja wenu angeenda aanze kuhubiri huko shida taabu, situngekuwa na taabu. Tumekuwa watulivu na tumesema tuheshimu sheria na tumesema tudumishe amani. Na kwa sababu sisi chama chetu ni cha kitaifa vile tumeonyeshwa hapa kwa introduction, sisi hatuna haja ya kupigana na kabila lolote. Sisi hatuna haja ya kupigana na dini yoyote because we are all represented here. Nataka IEBC watangaze siku. Na sasa kwa sababu tunasikia wenzetu ndio wamerudi kesi tena, sasa lazima tuwe na IEBC mpya. Let me tell you, we've been here before. They chased out the old IEBC if they think we don't have that time. If you have accepted all the rest of the results, let us accept the ruling. Maraga, don't interfere. And don't think that because our friends shout and we keep quiet, that we are scared of you. No, we are not. You've done your ruling, we have respected it. Let IEBC do their job. Let them declare the date. And Raila, let us meet at the ballot. We are not bothered with courts and court.
No akiona uria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta egutuhukagwo kana ekoragia miario ngionania ta ena mathiri kana marakara kurumirira itua ria igoti rinene ria Supreme. Na thutha wa igoti rinene ria Supreme gutuithania cira wegie maumirira ma kura cia giturwa kia mutongoria wa bururi muthenya wa ira, riu mahinya mau ma Uhuru Kenyatta kana mahinya ma president ni makunderie kuringana na gatiba ya bururi irahetukirio ni muingi mwaka wa 2010. Kuringana na gicunje kia 134 gia gatiba, president ndari na hinya wa kwandika wira acirithania a gikiro kia iguru na ndangiandika wira muruti o wothe wa thirikari uria ubatie gucagurwo ni wabici ya president, na ndangibuta wira minister o wothe kana afitha o wothe munene wa thirikari. Ona ukirira uguo, Uhuru nowe president gwa kahinda gaka nginyagia riria githurano gigatirihwo na kuyukia uhotani kana ahotwo akineane utongoria.
We must fix that problem. We must fix that problem. Lazima turekebishe. Na ndipo tuwasema si tumekuheshimu wewe. Tumeagree Nimesema 60 days turudi kwa uchaguzi. Jubilee, we are ready.
Kugina kuo kuma na thina munene barabara-ini nene ya kuma kaunti-ini ya Naikuru guthie Nyahururu thutha wa barabara iyo gutuika ni undu wa mbura nene iria ikoretwo ikiura gicigo-ini kiu. Mwandiki wa mohoro niwe Wanjiru wa Goco ena uhoro ucio makiria.
Magana ma thiaingi ni matungirwo ni kimako kinene miaraho ya umuthi thutha wa barabara iria mekugeragira ya Nakuru Nyahururu highway guthukangio ni mbura nene iria iraura mwena ucio. Athii aya aria ni hamwe na arutwo aria megucokaga cukuru macungiriirio ni kugerera barabara ingi kuona ni kuma na muhatikano munene wa ngari.
Hii barabara imeishi kutusumbua. Sisi ni wafanyikazi wa hapa. Tumeishi kusumbuka na hii barabara, imeishi hivyo miaka yote. Nimetoka Nyahururu, nimekaa hapa muda ya masaa 3.
Na tumekaa sana hapa. Hii mvua imenyesha kwa muda mfupi lakini imebeba mchanga na uchafu wote kukuja hivi. So maybe something should be done. Of course, mahali Kenya imefika, we can't afford to have such kind of things. Hii barabara it's a major road.
Riu aikari a gicigo giki kia Naikuru ni morete thirikari ya kaunti eno gutangikira ugwati uyu kuona no ucungiririe hathara ona makiria.
So tungeomba serikali ingilie kati, drainage za hii barabara zitengenezwe, kitu ambayo maji itakuwa ikitufikia.
Mimi ni mmoja wao mwenye nimeharibiwa vitu na maji sana. Hata saa hii mtoto wangu bado hajarudi shule, viatu ilibebwa, uniform ilibebwa, hata kwa kurara ni shida.
Tiga guthukagio gwa barabara mbura ino ni icungiriirie hathara mwena wa Kagoto na icigo imwe cia mairo 6. Gikuyu TV njitagwo Wanjiru wa Goco.
Thengio muno Wanjiru wa Goco ni undu wa riboti iyo. Na riu murori wa Gikuyu TV ngehoya twambe turikirie oro hanini ni tugucokereria thutha wa kahinda gatari coho. Twina mangi maingi Gikuyu gitu tutire turatiriha no hindi twambiriria. Ndugathie kuraihu guku ni kwa murori wa Mugikuyu.